Hi, my name is Mohan. I'm a manager of Creator Studio 99, and on a daily basis, I optimize my stores. I make sure that my old store plus my new store, they getting sales day by day. The growth of my store should be on the equal side for the both side. And in my previous video, as I mentioned, I have closed around 1,000 sales on Creator Studio 99, and almost today I got 10 sales in total on Crivia Design Studio. So I'm going to explain everything, what sale I got, what kind of new feature that Etsy has recently launched, and lots of more about my website things. So let's start. So yesterday on my second new store, that was Crivia Design Studio, there was 9 sales, and today I got one more sale organically, and you can see here again another DB WordPress theme package that I have sale here, and it's really going good. I'm really excited to that. And regarding one more, in the previous video that I mentioned the policy violation, because I have not showed it, in my previous video what it looked like. So if your store has any privacy policy violation, it will list here. Either it is a 1 year old, 2 year old, any old policy violation you have did on your store, it will show here. The sale that I got on previous Studio 99, the 10 sale, what it actually includes, it's my digital product. Let me open it. Key of that DB WordPress theme. I do have a license for a lifetime for it, so I'm making sure that my all the clients that associated with me from the last 10 years as an agency owner of TechHawk Softwares, and to my lovely two partners, Pankaj and Dinender. So there is a new store feature that's available on Etsy these days, which previously doing by the E-Rank, and there are so many third-party plugins who help you to do the keyword research of competitors. But this is a better version of I guess the Etsy, where you can see the marketplace inside. It's not as much perfect as E-Rank is, but it's very helpful, and Etsy, I think, is growing day by day with their features for their store owners as well. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so let's suppose I'm uploading a GoHighLevel template, and I need to check what kind of templates are trending these days, what the design look like, their keyword titles, description, and everything. So you can see here the searches are 338, total 1k search results they have. You can check the search terms previously done by many peoples. You can see the top listings, like the sales funnel expert here, the another sales funnel somebody made with a template, 100 million money model, full funnel templates. So let's open the first one and see why it is ranking on the top of the marketplace competitor research. So obviously the graphic of this uh, template is really great, and anybody who will see it, they will definitely will interact, and they put the video that is really good. Then other slides you can see. Let it load. Yeah, I think they should optimize their pictures as well, because it's taking too long time to load. Yeah, you can see here they have type high converting GoHighLevel sales page, modern and optimized design, one click import. They have a very good description as well. Nothing fancy long, but valuable information they will have. They put the demo link, which is really great. Let's open this as well. Go to address. So they are showing the preview as well, what exactly the customer going to buy. That's very cool. So this is the new feature that Etsy has, and it's coming out really great. It's not as much competitive as the E-rank is, but I think it will improve day by day. But it's a very good feature that it says, going to give to their store managers, store owners. And yeah, I mean, if you are a store owner, you need any kind of help to optimize your store, any consultation that you need help with, I'm here. All you have to do is just to click the link below, and I'll be there for you. Thank you so much.